the LensGo LWM-328c, another wireless microphone that's gonna make your filmmaking audio great and secured. But there's more coming right up. Mabuhay everybody, welcome to the Art of Sir Eden. If you are new here and you're kinda interested in those kind of contents, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And to my current subscribers, we are almost at 800 or probably 800 by now, which is very awesome. Thank you so much for your support, guys. You guys are so awesome. And if you are watching this on Facebook, I humbly ask you guys to like my Facebook page, follow me on Instagram, and of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, before anything else, I would like to clarify that I am not an audio engineer nor an audio specialist, but this is not the first time I reviewed a microphone. Now, let's get down to business. Alright, wait, I know what you guys are thinking. Another wireless microphone? And yes, but this time it is more geared for a professional level of audio recording. Yes, I know what you're thinking, guys. I am a LensGo ambassador, so my opinion might be biased, but don't worry guys, it is my responsibility to tell you guys about the great features of LensGo microphones and what are the things that needs to be improved. So in this review, I'm gonna tell you my honest opinion about the LensGo microphones. Now, before we talk about the pros and cons, let's do the unboxing. To be honest, I was so excited to have this, and my mistake is that I gave a wrong information, so FedEx had a hard time contacting me, so it came a little late. It came with this very nice shirt. It has a very nice packaging. It feels premium. Let's slide it out, and inside this box is a postcard showing all the list of their current products. Next is this pouch containing these accessories. We got here two lav mics with a locking screw on its 3.5mm jack, the wind foam, and the lav clip, a TRS cable for DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, camcorders, GoPro, and audio interfaces, a TRS to TRS for smartphones, and a detachable cold shoe mount with a 1/4" mount below. Next is a silica gel, very important, a warranty card, and an instruction manual. Now let's get the RX. In the front, there's a set button / power button, a screen, and an adjustment buttons. At the top, there is a monitor input and the output with two flexible antennas. On this side is the infrared blaster. On the other side is a USB Type-C for charging, a rechargeable AA battery with the battery compartment on the side. And at the back is a metal clip. Now what I got here is a dual transmitter version, but a single 328c transmitter is also available in the market. Now the design layout of the transmitter are almost identical to the receiver. The set button, screen, and adjustment buttons in the front, the IR blaster on the side. At the top, there are two input jacks. One is for mic and one is for a line in. Also a single antenna with a power button, the USB Type-C for charging with the battery compartment, the metal clip at the back, and my favorite part of the 328c transmitter is the SD card or the TF slot. Alright, now so let's check out the features and how to operate both transmitter and the receiver. First is the RX. Press and hold the set button for a second to turn it on. The LensGo logo appears, and let's run down what's in the screen. At the top are the TXA signal, RX battery level, the TXB signal, the big font numbers are the channel frequency. At the bottom are the audio meter, TX battery level for both A and B, and a lock icon in the middle. Now let's press the set button again to enter the setup menu. Press the plus and minus button to select. So from the RX, you can control the power, the channel frequency, and the volume of both TX. For pairing the RX to TX, you can use manual channel selection, the auto search, or true infrared scan. There is also a power key lock button to avoid accidental button press while it's in your pocket or it's in the back of your talent. A LED control to set the screen time with the audio output where you can select mono or stereo, which is very nice. The language and reset button pretty much explains itself. Then select exit to go back to the main screen. Now let's check out the TX. To turn it on, press the power button at the top. Again, the LensGo logo appear, and at the top you will see the lock icon, the mic icon, the low cut filter icon, and the battery indicator. In the middle is the channel and frequency. At the bottom is the audio meter. Let's press the set to enter the menu again, where you can select the channel, frequency, power lock key, and again, this is to avoid accidental pressing of the physical buttons. And also here is the mic gain, which you can set from 3 down to -3. Here is the LED screen setting. The low cut filter is, by the way, my favorite feature of this TX. And also here is the audio input where you can select between the mic and the line in. And here is the TX power that determines the range of the transmission between the TX to RX. We got here a high setting, a middle, and a low. Another awesome feature that the TX has is the safety track feature, or the auto record that records automatically upon turning on the TX. And here is the language menu, the reset, and the exit. Basically, these two has the same functionality and features, so I don't have to explain it further, I guess. Alright guys, just to let you know, I've been using the 328c since the beginning of this video, and it's directly connected to my Canon M50. And here is the lav mic attached to my collar, and the transmitter is in my pocket. So let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. Now let's set up the 328c to 3 types of cameras. One is a GoPro, a smartphone, and a Canon M50. And then after that, we're gonna do the audio tests. This is an audio test using the LensGo LWM-328c, and it's directly connected to my Canon M50. And currently, the low cut filter is on. Let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. This is an audio test using the LensGo LWM-328c, and it's directly connected to my Canon M50. And currently, the low cut filter is off. So let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. This is an audio test using the LensGo LWM-328c, and it's directly connected to my iPhone XR. And currently, the low cut filter is on. So let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. So this is an audio test using the LensGo LWM-328c, and it's directly connected to my iPhone XR. And currently, the low cut filter is off. So let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. Alright, so this is an audio test using the LensGo LWM-328c, and it is directly connected to my GoPro Hero 5. Currently, the low cut filter is off. So let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. GoPro, stop recording. This is an audio test using the LensGo LWM-328c, and it is directly connected to my GoPro Hero 5. And currently, the low cut filter is off. So let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. GoPro, stop recording. Alright guys, so right now we are outside to do some distance test using the LWM-328c by LensGo. And I would like to thank szBIW here for joining us to do this test, and he is one of the winners of the Audi MM2 during the live stream PH conducted by LensGo. So sorry guys, we're gonna speak our native language this time, but this is just to hear the audio quality of both transmitters. Excited ka na ba dun sa LensGo na makukuha mo?
Oo naman, sobrang excited na ako. Gusto ko nang palitan to yo.
Alright guys, what is up? I'm right now outside to do some range test using the LensGo LWM-328c. And currently I am about 10 feet away from my camera. So I'm gonna move further back there to test how well the sound it produces while I'm far away. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, so I'm about probably, this is 40 feet away from the camera, so let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. Alright guys, sorry about this. I had to interrupt the range test that we're conducting because after this part, the audio isn't that good. Moving backwards again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Right, so this is about, I think, 60 feet away from my camera, and as you can see, there's a lot of obstructions here. A sculpted cow.
Goodbye mga baka. What's up sa inyo mga baka?
So I guess it is safe to say that the 150-meter feature of the 328C only works on a free obstacle space. And this is where the SD card recording should shine the most. However, you have to take note of this mistake that I did. During this range test, I set the volume of the transmitter to -2, which caused a distortion on my recording, which make it unusable. And just so you know guys, I'm currently recording using the 328C's SD card recording right now. And currently my volume is set to 0 on my transmitter and the low cut filter is on. So let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. And so I'm gonna turn off the low cut filter so you'll hear the difference on the sound between the low cut filter on and the low cut filter off. Alright, so right now the low cut filter is off. So let me know in the comment section below how this sound. And currently I have an electric fan on my back here, so I'm not sure if you're hearing it right now. So let me know which one sounds better. Also, I was planning to do another range test. However, at the moment we are shooting this video, it is rainy season here in the Philippines. I think I had to cut this range test because I think it's gonna rain. But if you want a good range test, you can check out Tilder's range test while reviewing the 328C. He managed to reach the 500 feet or the 100 meters range using the LensGo 328C. And he did a good demonstration of its capability. But I think once the rainy season is over, I may be able to manage to do this range test on 3 different devices that I showed you in this video. So stay tuned on that video. However, in my own opinion, honestly, I don't think the range test is applicable because you already have this SD card recording. Because with this feature, technically you can go as far away as you can from the camera without losing your audio. Unless you're going to use the LensGo 328C to a live broadcast or a live stream, which is a different topic. And so that's it guys, back to the video. Alright, so we're back here at the studio. So let's talk about the things I love about the LensGo LWM-328c and what are the things that needs to be improved. First of all, my most favorite about the LensGo 328c is the price point. The LensGo 328c with the 2 transmitter is about $299 US, and the one with the single transmitter is about $199. This is an affordable wireless microphone with a professional level features, such as the record feature or the safety track feature. This is definitely a lifesaver during professional shoots because you won't have to worry about losing your audio while you are shooting. And that's what I really like about this microphone. Another thing is the low cut filter. This is very helpful in situations like this studio that I got here, in which you can hear a lot of noise coming from the outside. But with the low cut filter of the LensGo 328c, the noise cancellation is very, very effective. And I'm sure you can hear it right now in this audio. Another thing is the UI is very simple. You can easily navigate throughout all the settings inside each devices. If there are things that needs to be changed, just press the set button and select which one do you like to change, and boom, you're done with it. Another thing is the locking screw that the TX and the RX has. And I think this is much more seen to a much more expensive lavalier microphones or wireless microphones. This is to avoid accidental disconnection of the wires on your TX or the RX. Another thing is the infrared scan or the infrared pairing between the RX and the TX. And so you know, out of the box, all of these devices are already paired, but in case you need to repair it, or in case you lost the connection between the RX and the TX, you can easily connect them both by using the infrared scan without any hassle. In a split second, both RX and TX are already connected and you can use it to record already. Another thing is the 150 meters range, which is very nice in a wireless audio system. Although in my case, I'm not sure if I'm gonna need that, but having that kind of feature is something to look forward in case there is a situation that you need that kind of range. And also the LWM-328c's capability to charge a rechargeable battery, AA battery, directly inside each devices, which is a very nice touch. And just a fair warning guys, never plug this in with a non-rechargeable battery inside it because boom! Alright, so what are the things that needs to be improved? Now this is basically just a personal preference guys, but I'm sure this might not be a big deal for you guys. Now having the audio meter on both RX and the TX is very nice. I've been looking forward for a feature like this. And so far in all of my Wireless Lav system, the 328c is the only one that has this feature. However, I noticed that the audio meter is a bit late, meaning it's not a real-time monitoring. So I think you just have to rely on maximizing the monitoring feature of the RX instead of the digital audio meter. Another thing is the safety track feature or the auto recording. While I really like this feature so much, but I wish they could have added an option that you can manually turn it on and off instead of automatically recording it once you turn on the TX. And I know you guys just gonna say, just remove the SD card, you dumb toot toot. I get it. You know guys, I get that, but the thing is, it's a bit of a drag, you know guys, and also it might cause some damage to your SD card. So I prefer a on and off button of the auto recording instead of just pulling out the SD card and plugging it back. And so far, I think those are the things that needs to be improved in this Lav system. Now, will I recommend it? It's a big yes, guys. It has these awesome features and it's much more geared for a more professional level of recording or filmmaking. So if you are working on a corporate videos, wedding shoots, commercials, and something around that kind of day job, this wireless microphone is a must-have. If you are a YouTuber like me and you need to level up your vlog in terms of audio, this is definitely a must-have. But if you are in a tight budget, I definitely recommend to you guys the younger brother of this one, which is the 328c. You can check it out in the card up there or in the links in the description below. And that's it guys. I hope this video helped you. If you want to get the LensGo LWM-328c, check out the links in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And again, this is the Art of Sir Eden tech version. Together, let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you on my next video, guys. Kuya Sir, out.